What's up, y'all? We back at it again with some airplane shenanigans. Y'all know we don't have no ovens. We don't even have a microwave on these places. So we gotta make it do what it do. So we brew some water, put the Tupperware in the hot water, tied it up, let it sit for like 30 minutes. We put it inside this little container that I'm about to show y'all at the bottom, just for like 45 minutes. We put it in there to keep it hot. After like 45 minutes, we took it out. We could feel it. It's like eating a hot meal because we don't always get to have hot meals. Most of the time, it's cold meals. And having a hot meal when you in this lifestyle of aviation is like a blessing. But anyway, lunch is served. Chef kiss. Bye.